Uh, this afternoon I'm not sleeping yet. Okay, I want to try to read for you the little bit about the Bible. Okay, the Bible is give you wisdom because the Bible happening is just like our we living in the earth the same thing. Okay, happening in our life and the country and the families and that all things happening in uh, our life. Here's I want to start reading about them. Okay, this is two king, Judas and the Israel king. Who is the Judas king here? No, Messiah king of Judas. Messiah is king of Judas. In the second years of the Jehoahaz, son of Jehoash, king of Israel, Messiah son of Joash, king of Judah, began to reign. When it Pathinya la na pina kinitani ni pina mala Jehora apokwa na kora le Jeho sane awa pina mala apora le Israel no wa me bwa Israel po Israel sopa mono tebra de do pay ni Amasia son of Joar ni awa kera Judah sopa no kwa kia ni no Pasana kira began to reign no awa de pe sector ni awa de pina ma no perita po perita no awa sara pera pani no tebe he was 25 years old no awa ora kichi yani no athani ora kichi yani no 25 years old no pane bagite mala no over kisi anima no when he became king no pe akira sopane over kisi anilo no pane ro bathinya le no and he reigns in Jerusalem 29 years no over paralo we Jerusalem no kisi ro queenie pane no there 29 kisi queenie no his mother names were Jehodia no Pagitera mala more a miller Jehodia, no? Panera, she was from Jerusalem, no? Awane away here Jerusalem, no? Pane he did why was right in the eye of the Lord, no? He did no awe mara le no kasa you are a man, meta bala you are a melo, no kasa you are one, no? Meta bala a melo, no you are me, but not as his father David has done, no? The me did to do begin a password that we ma with to no, I did that, Panin in everything he followed the example of his father Joar. But there my panin our Kalakasin our porovara a pa you are no you are a kimo no puna kalakasin no puna ta adu te the pane our porova example ta do no. This has place, however, place, however, where not removed, not the people continue to offer sacrifice in burns, incense here. Pagtero mala pa sectoni, patu pathala patamo pune, no, atera pe ta sector penny, no, peta sector penny, Pathinya la pagtero ma, were data, no, penny no le pagitete ma dile no tagita no aware pagitete dile no pagitete ma la aware ori data no ori data la tapa tapra phala ma no page la no aware to gura la no ta lo thot thwa the pha yo pa ga mu te pha ni no aware pagitete ma la aware lu ro data no pagitete ma la aware lu ro data ni lo no after the kingdom was firmly no, firmly in his grasp. No? He executes the officer who has murdered his father, the king. No? Aware ori data siko no. Panini, Pathinya siko lotama athati pala patabo punitilo no. Away ni takele kasi le tama athati pakele no. Baka tura le tai takur khai le no gijeni no. Tevera le menutimi le no pakele kwa pedisemo no. No yine no. do tu abo mu uga sukla la supuro tamata la amati akepwa tapa la amati apa ne lo tamati awa mati gwe takita pa la amati pa du ne no awa mati gwe mo no awa ne pakete ra tsuba tsuta ma ta ti pa mo no pei ro pakete te ma le ta mu pu kete le no pakete sukumota sikolo ta ita klo ti pa pei ne no no yi hu ne te ba pwa le mene ti mi le no no yi hu pei pe le kwat sepo no yeah he did not put the son of Assyrians to death in accordance with what is written in the book of the Lord of Moses, where the Lord commanded fathers shall not be put to death for their children, nor children put to death for their father. Each is to die for his ocean. No? Pagden ma padaga gani awakra thila atade barawe apu husarane awet ma thiwe da pagde ma pain no. The ma thiwe da no kora assistant no pain. Pagile kwa pay the sepo no do no mimi mathita put pane the mathiba weba data kwe thalam somose tatuta so lepu athu pe jwa maluta do siweda patapa abathi tabathi ba la put pa ko ba do put pa tabathi ba la patapa ko ba mimi pwa ba thesis le ata deba we ata deba da we khulo no kwani pweden mala thida la abathi le ata deba khulo no. Here he was the one who defeated 10,000 Edomian in the valleys of Short and the Kavichur Sila in better. Colin is Jokthir. The name has to this day. No penny picten mana. That mean tak orada le mu certainly sikolo no. When a pay tete mana tunu su saw my saw no pane tunu su saw sayam merlokalo pass su Israel sopa yehu apokwa so yohoya ha apokwa so oya no so you are do siweda hekwalo me the kurki no one hekwalo me the ku mano devra pani mano pain pekite mala no no nui ni sikon devra de le no mati pwa adopho no tekala la aksu itha apu dollar no du tu tata do mani sila do yu ami la yo no yu kathi la tu mu misatini no awe mani sila do awe yu ami la yu kathi la no phane devra no no pay do no gi khwani dera no Amaziah sent messenger to Jehoram son of Jehoashaphat the son of Jehu king of Israel with the no because my challenges can meet me face to face no but Jehoram king of Israel replied to Amaziah king of Judah now this time is Lebanon sent a message to Shida in Lebanon, give your daughter to my son and marry them. Now I will not best in the Lebanon camp alone and trample there this time. Underfoot no penny mala tamata le tapitama honelom. No pain it David no he the scene there done a clock with do the part li donathan. Nanatha patotronatha nalo, nanatha patotronalo, Park a pearl nathado, or learn the heat ki, Nakamata learn ta do, Lohi, Naweda do Judah, Udona name me abominable. Do Pakitanma saw Amasia, not a canaba taba, do Israel sopa, you are leto, do Weda, do Judah sopam, no Amasia qualo a mele beat. The same Bachado Judah be the same Bachar Judah no Panene Pakele Quala no it's sitting at Teba Puadilo the sea no the city of the city Teba Puadilo no Pagitana mano you have indeed not defeated Edom and now you are arranged glory in your victory but stay at home. Why ask for trouble and not curse your own not downfall? And that's all Judas also. Not forget me Judas also. Penny ro patinya siko le tamata the pa no penny. Dera le no nogi no penny ro no the siki ni the sitter no the sitter ni going to power with sikoli no penny dera le no Amasa however would not listen to Jehoiakim or Israel attacked. He and Amasa king of Judah faced each other and Beth no Simas in Judah no beginama away face each other ne qualo the memo no let no hoda ma penny the siki ni dera dile Judah was no ruled by Israel, and every man fled to his home. No Panina Bagdamala, Jehoahaz, king of Israel, captures amazing king of Judah, the son of Joah, the son of Amaziah, as best not saying them. Jehoram went to Jerusalem and broke down the wall of Jerusalem from there. No, Ephraim gate to the corner gate no a section about 600 feet long no panel atahu take mo no panel tebra lan tulun don sither ni mo no tebra panel mo no panel betinya lo yuda so yuda no do so yuda khawele israel amenya do khin kwi wele agasu data we daga su data we ne lo israel no asopa yo amane yuda asopa do no nane akasara pukwa no so you are pukwa do amasaya la be the same apu do hewe su Jerusalem do malo po Jerusalem akodu no pane akodu no apla lugia la a petro no kora la a petro mo no pane la petro ipare per la ta no patatana no a petro lo no pane kele kasimo no ma pane no Pathinya sikolo target the panamo, the silui mono. Pero patete mala, no, the siluni, no. The siluni teva poala munitimile, pay patete mala siluna, pakila power pesimo. He took all the gold and silver and all the articles found in the temple of the Lords and no, in the treasuries of the royal palace. He also took hostage and then returned to Samaria. Now away he ne tapotali bakala no tali he do putera mala bakala no sopa no bukelekasiro awaki su Samaria ni no Penny did not see any ask for the other even or the range of Jorah why he did and his achievement including his war against Amaziah king of Judah are they not written in the book of the no bring any of the king of Israel no takwe sikola away tahutage no Johora atakuta no apera do amanida do Britain mana ata hutage le agri wa le Britain atale tole trote bakale kesimo no do Britain mala do aduda kale kesine takwe pala pa ishilapo sopali bunilo no Jorah rested with the father and was buried in Samaria with the king of Israel and the Jeroboam his son succeeded him no Panino Jeroboam awakira his sopan no Masiah son of no Joah king of Judah lived for 15 years after the death Panebukitana mala Joah ne olo Judah do apera o muera no Panino awa over no the chi 15 years dot chi ani ne awapera no pane Bukitanma I guess so by the away theory Joe Pane Joe no Jehoram son of no Jehoshua king of Israel Panino Bukitanma awaman awakira sopala Joe no Jehoram ne akira sopala no Israel no awana as for the other event of the Amaziah's reign they narrated in the book of Ananiah of the king of Judah Panitakwe Pasikola Judah Alipusikolo. No, they conspired against him in the Jerusalem and he flees to Lachish, but they sent me after him to leeches and killed him there, no? Panero aware he would also leech it up, Jerusalem, no? Over Jerusalem, the Pugatan Mara, aware he would leeching, no? Pugatan Mara, away upon Matthew Pane, no? He was brought back by horse and was buried in the Jerusalem was his father in the city of David. Natakula Wesikola, so that we will put it on. Then all the people of Judah took Mason, who was 16 years old, and made him king in the place of his father Amaziah. Pane Paganamana, he knew about Athani, no? He Paganama, no, 16 years old, Sitane Pagana, who's in him, no? Paragana, no, Messiah, no? Away Paravara Sofa, no? When I love Paganamala, father Messiah, no? He was the one who rebuilds Elas and restore it to Judas after Messiah restored with his father. When a Paraganilla Puritan Malana, Paragala Puritan aware could tirage ila, Pane Puritan aware work it tiragura, no Pane Bacala, no Judah, no Messiah, aware Tathi, no Apan, no Pane Puritan Mala. Penny Bugler Pakwan no kissy keen it ever part of Sepo. But then what you aware Titoki ila do manikilla Judah no Judah agodo le a lot keenness of a middle a parpalo no penny sopa middle parpalo no. Pagidema le targeted pie we locky no Pakale Pakwa le Cassian can't do it. No paying in the 50 years of Messiah son of Joas, no king of Judas, Joram, son of Joras, no king of Israel became king in Samaria. Pane Pugitana Mano, Jora ne, no king of Varala, Pugitana, Purala, Samaria, no. He did evil in the eye of the Lord and did not turn away from any of sin of Jeroboam, son of Nebat, no, which he has cursed Israel to commit. Panisiko our power bakala nabakle no, Bethinia siko panelo no. No panelo kovara sikola paini Davidile. He was the one who restored the boundaries of Israel from Lebo, Hamath of the seer of the Arabah, no, in accordance with the word of the Lord, not the God of Israel, spoke through his servant Jonah, son of Amittai, the prophet from Gate, no, Hebel, Panelbactinia Siko, no. Kisian a better like Pagua Sepo, Lata Matalata, the city liver Sevo, no, Maniki Israel, Aqua Hurler, Talenula, Kama, no, Tapper, Taplobu, Apole, no, Dijwa Israel, Akasa, Agulula, Aktuela, Akipwa, Paka, no, Panino, Terala Paka, Tak, Hipipu, so a mite, a Pukwa, so you na. A suit to Nilon, away tuck with power to Nilon. No Kissikuni, Teva, when I nominated me, the Lord has seen how bitterly everyone in Israel, no, whether slave or free, no, was suffering. There was no one to help them. No, Pane Pugitana, Pane awake, no Kumigi, our Utablimigi, no, our Terra, our Tiba, he, but about to sat to not tap hot out of Margama to Masama, Pane Bithinia Sikono by Israel put it pane. No Pedro and since the Lord has not said he would plow out the name of Israel from under heaven. He saved them by the hand of Jeroboam, son of Jorah. Spanish of Guatemala, no? When you put them like a silent rock, Edo without love, Pugitema, not Tabo the Bukola, Pugitemala at the Machuma Sabra, Paisa, put it back with no? Le Ho Muko Pala Hotarone. Our master without love, not Jeroboam, Apokwa Jorah, Supunilo, not the readiness. As for the other event on Pugitema Jeroboam reigns all he did and his militaries when achievement including how he recovered for Israel both Damascus and Hamad which has belonging to Yahudi are they not written in the book or any of the king of Israel no panitak with that tak with sick or no bakala jerobuya a web tap pertas no pugitena mala the atumutu bo no pugitena mala a word ataman no the lupue le bakala hamas the pasiko panino no. Robin pugiteta mala jerobuya rested with his father the king of Israel and no pugitena mala Zicharias his son no him asking upon Gisaria Corala Pukwane where get out Vivera Sopanilo no Petinia Sicono. Penny soya ba miwe do aparapa no Israel asoparaparo apukwa so Scaria Gato no Scaria Gato sopala alonilo no penny Petinia Sicoleta Mata Tilpanino. Let no good on my suki glutara sweep work all no again. God bless you all. God bless you. And with all and your family and your friends, okay, and after the youth, okay. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye, my friend and my brother.